Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new video. In today's video I bring to you a new version of Vmos Pro with Android 10. But before we start the video, I just wanna ask you, if you're not subscribed on my channel, please subscribe on my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. Like the video and share the video with your friends, guys, and let's get started. As I said before, this video I'm gonna be sharing with you Vmos Pro with Android 10. Alright, so to do this process, what you need to do is download from the link that I will leave on the description. Download those archives, and then let's do the process. First of all, what we're going to do is we're going to make some changes in our settings. So click down there on the setting icon. So then let's go here on system, and then let's go in about phone. Once we're here in about phone, let's click on build number around 7 times to enable a developer option. Alright, so let's give the permission here, and let's go here and let's look for the developer option. So let's click it over here on the developer option, and let's activate here the USB debooting mode. Let's activate here the USB debooting mode. Let's click OK if asked. Click on force full GNSS measurement. Click it out over there. Then click it out over here, this option. Enable GPU debug layer. Click it out over here. Then let's go down here. Let's click on this three option here. Window and image scale. Click on it and put it on 0.5. And transition image scale put in 0.5. And animation duration scale put on 0.5. Then click on force GPU enduring. Then you're gonna click on this force F4XMSAA. Alright, once we did this, let's return. Now, once you download the ROM and the APK that you're gonna download from the link that I will leave on the description, install the Vmos Pro app. Install the Vmos Pro app. Install it and open it. Then you're gonna give all the permission that the Vmos Pro will ask. Perfect. Then once you open it, close it. Then reopen the Vmos Pro app. The second time that you open the Vmos Pro, click right over here on this plus icon. Click on this three dots up here on the right corner. Okay, click on the second option here. This one. Click it right over here. Then you're gonna look for the ROM on the folder that you downloaded, and then you're gonna click the folder. Click it right over here to install the ROM. To remember that the ROM can run in your Android with 1 GB of internal storage, or if your phone has 1 GB of RAM memory, it will run properly. And don't need to worry about the app. It doesn't have virus. You can use it and you can install it in your device safely. So let's wait to the installation. Okay, guys, as you can see, the ROM has initialized. My advice here, I'm going here now on the setting. Let's activate here as well the developer options. So it is here already activated. Let's go on system. Then you're gonna see this developer option. Click it out over here, and let's activate here the USB debooting mode. Okay, where is it? Activate here the USB debooting mode. Click OK if asked, and then remember that the transitions are all off. So click here on force GPU, and then click on force for XMSAA. Alright, so return. As you can see here, the Android is really 10, this one here. Then I'm going to teach you how to enable root here. Let's click it out of here on this super user icon. Click on the three dot here on the right corner. Click on settings, then click on apps and super, then click on apps and ADB. Alright guys, so now just gonna wait and give this, click here and remember to it forever because the super user is requesting the root permission. So click allow. Then your room has perfectly, now you can use it. You can download your apps from the web. So the ROM has not a Google Play Store, doesn't have. Okay, so I hope you like it guys. I will start from here and I hope you like the video. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. Like the video guys, and see you on the next one.